Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to add a user to a group in Keycloak using admin REST API. So let's get started. Now with the help of this particular command I am running Keycloak on my local setup using Docker. So you need Docker as well. So let it do its thing. Once it has finished doing all this setup, then all you need to do is you just need to go to localhost /8080. So here you can see, and here username and password will be admin. Now first to access the Keycloak admin REST API, we need to create a client. I'm not changing the realm, which is master by default, so don't touch it. Just go to clients, click on create client. Inside client ID I'll just name it as my client. Okay, I'll just click on next. I'll enable client authentication, I'll enable direct access grant, I'll click on next again, and I'll just click on save. Then go to credentials, and here you can just copy this client secret which is required for generating the access token. Then we will create one group, so I'll just create one group. I'll just name it as my group, and currently it won't have any members, so we need to add this particular member. So if you see the members tab, it is empty. I currently only have one user, which is the admin user. Okay, so first let's go back to Postman, and here is the API. So http:// so this should be your own domain. So my Keycloak domain is on 8080, so I'm using localhost /8080/realms/master. So this should be the realm name, which is master by default in our case, /protocol/openid-connect/token. And as you can see here, the client ID is my client, so this was the name which I gave. Here I need to paste our client secret, so I'll just do that. Username and password is admin, so here you have to enter the admin credentials, and grant type is password. Then I'll just click on send, and here you can see we get the access token. Do note the access token is only valid for 1 minute, but you can change this time as well. Then we need to come to this particular API. So first again http://localhost:8080/admin/realm, and here it should be the realm name, which is master in our case. So I'll just enter master/users/ and here we enter our user ID. So I'll just go to users, I'll just go over here, I'll just copy this user ID and I'll just paste it over here. Now unfortunately for groups we can't get the group ID. If I just show it to you, go to groups, at least as far as I know there is no way to get the group ID. So first we need to use Keycloak, another REST API, to fetch the group ID for this particular group. Okay, to get the group ID we need to use this particular API. So again, instead of HTTPS I will just use HTTP, and instead of this Keycloak_host I'll just use localhost:8080/ I think auth is not required, sorry, we don't require auth in latest versions of Keycloak, /admin/realm, and inside realm name we can just pass master and /group, and inside headers it requires the access token. So I'll just remove this particular part. Again I need to generate the access token because it is only valid for 1 minute. So I'll just copy this particular code, copy, command C, and I'll paste it over here, and I'll click on send, and here you can see this is the group ID. So it was just, the group name was just my group. So I'll just copy this again and I'll just paste it over here, but make sure you are using put request over here. Again go to headers, I'll just remove this. Again I think the access token might have expired, so I'll just generate a new one. Then I'll just copy this, command C, and I'll paste it over here, command V, and I'll click on send. And here you can see we are getting 204 no content. That means the user has been added. Let's go back to Keycloak and check. So here I'll just refresh my screen, and if I go to members, here you can see I'm able to see members of admin inside my group. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.